Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will do future continuous tense. As the name shows you, any action that occur in future and it is continuous for an expected length of time, we use future continuous tense. It is against or somewhat different from the simple future tense where action also occurs in future but it is not continuous for an expected length of time. It will be completed in future. So the main difference is of action which in simple future tense which will complete in that future time, but in future continuous tense action will continue for an expected length of time. Now come to the form of the sentence, which is also very simple. With all the subjects we use will be and then ing form of verb or present progressive form of verb. Now come to the positive sentence or example of the future continuous tense. It will be raining tomorrow. Now you can see it is a subject. After that we are using will be, and after that we are using ing or present progressive form of verb raining. And you can also notice that action is continuous and will continue for an expected length of time. The negative will be, it will not be raining tomorrow. The question will be, will it be raining tomorrow? Now come to the second sentence. She will be having her lunch at this time. Now negative will be, she will not be having her lunch at this time. You can see we are putting not after will. And in question we are putting will in the beginning. Will she be having her lunch at this time? We will put will in the beginning, and B will not change its place. B will remain there. Now come to the third sentence. They will be watching the news at 8. And now in negative we will put not after will. They will not be watching the news at 8. And the question will be, will they be watching news at 8? You can see that the will is coming in the beginning and B will remain there, and in the end we will use question mark. You can notice that the action is continuous for an expected length of time. That action of watching is continuous for an expected length of time. So I hope that you have understood this tense well. Thank you.